Hey everyone, Ryan here from Foxtecc. Today, I'll be showing you how to turn off focus mode on your iPhone permanently. If you've been turning off focus in the control center, only for it to keep coming back later, this is probably due to some settings or scheduling you have set up without realizing it. So, let's walk through how to fix that once and for all. The first thing you need to do is open the Settings app on your iPhone, then tap on Focus. From there, select the specific focus mode that keeps turning on by itself, whether it's Do Not Disturb, Work, or Sleep. Once you're in that focus mode's settings, scroll down to find the scheduling options. This is likely where the issue is coming from. You can either disable the schedule but keep it saved for future use, or you can delete it entirely if you don't need it anymore. It's a good idea to go through each focus mode you've set up to check for any schedules you might not remember setting up. There's also a chance, although less likely, that a shortcut or automation is causing focus mode to turn on without you knowing. To check this, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone and browse through your shortcuts to see if there's anything triggering focus mode. Also, head into the Automation section of the app to see if any automations have been set to turn focus on automatically. By going through these steps, you should be able to turn off focus mode permanently, and it won't keep coming back on unless you enable it yourself. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped, be sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips. See you later.